Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to fix app not installed on Android. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So I will be showing you a few methods here on how to fix app not installed on Android. So first is you have to go to your settings, go to apps, click this one, and then here you have to simply scroll down and look for Google Play Services. You can go to the search bar and type Google Play Services, or you can scroll down here and then look for letter G or Google Play Services. Now tap this one. And then here, what you're going to do next is you have to look for storage usage. Click storage usage, and then you should look for clear cache. So tap this one, tap clear cache. Once done, you can now go back and again, go to settings, go to application, and then below this Google Play Services, you see this Google Play Store. All you have to do is to click this one, tap on storage usage, tap on clear cache, and that's it. Now you can go back or you can exit settings, and then this time you have to go to your Google Play Store. So exit your settings and then look for Google Play Store, open, go to your home, and then tap on your profile at the top right corner. Click this one. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Play Protect. Now tap on Play Protect, and then this time you have to click this settings at the top right corner. Tap this one. And then what you're going to do here is you just have to simply toggle off both of this. One of the reasons why you can't install some applications, it's because you have toggled this both. But of course, it is highly recommended for your safe and security. So basically, once you are done with this, and you can now go back, open your Google Play Store and try again to install an application. It is also highly recommended to restart your phone after adjusting some settings here. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.